just show you a simple truth table of simple logics like and, or, right? Remember that. We use a lot of truth tables from the previous class, right? So with two variables, then we can construct a truth table having 4 possible cases, right? 4 combinations of two variables. What happens if we have 3 variables? So how many possible combinations can we have? 2 to the third? That would be 8. Right? Very easy. Same old thing. Right? See here, what is this one? Have you seen this gates before? No? Maybe? We had it from last semester, right? It's just what? How many months ago? Not really. A little bit. Okay. Assuming that you already have some background information. This is a what gate? AND gate. It says there, AND gate with 2 inputs. So we call 2 input AND gate. 2 input AND gate. AND gate can have more than 2 inputs. Okay, then it would look like this. There, if we have n inputs, each gate will have only 1 output. Okay. For the OR gate, see the difference of the shape here. Okay, so when you draw it, you have to make sure that it is clear that you draw AND gate or OR gate. Okay, and you can some of you may notice that there are some numbers here. Okay, this is just from a conflict from the software. This is supposed to be just the like etc. Okay. This gate, the function is equal to the product of all the variables, or the AND, x1, AND with x2, etc. up to xn. Similarly, this one is the OR x1 or x2 up to xn. Okay. The description of logic gate, as I mentioned, okay, is that for any gate, okay, there is at least 1 input. Okay. No gate has no input. Means that any gate must have at least 1 input. At least 1. What kind of gate, what type that has 1 input? Not gate. Right. Each gate has only 1 output. Okay. Only 1. The output is a function of inputs. The basic gates that we are familiar is, For example, AND gate, OR gate, and NOT gate. Once we put gates together, connect them up, then we can make a circuit. The picture of a circuit is called circuit diagram or schematic. Schematic is the same as circuit diagram. A larger circuit is called a network in this class, okay? It's abbreviation of a network of gates, okay? It's different from like computer network, okay? Slightly have different meaning. Or a logic network or a logic circuit. These have the same meanings. Okay. So next we are going to discuss, to have some information about analysis of a logic network. Okay. How to find out the functionality of a circuit. Okay. So if a circuit is given, we have to be able to find out the function of the circuit, okay, by checking at the gates. Okay, we know how each gate is working, right? And we know the input variables there. So what would be the output from this first gate there? What would be the function of the output of this gate? X1 or X2, right? So this is a typical way to find out how the circuit is function. Okay? Start from the input and from the first gate that connect directly to the input. Okay? So that would be X1 or X2. Okay? And then this output, we know that it is connected here, so it's provided as the input of the next gate. So the result of this gate would be equal to the input from here and with the X3, right? Therefore, we can find out the function of this circuit. Okay. So if we have more gates, doing this way, this step by step, we can find out the final function, right? That should be easy. Okay, let's trace through this new circuit together, this one. Okay, we have 3 gates here. One of each type, NOT, AND, and OR. What does it mean